Howdy folks, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how the key fob is enrolled on a HKC alarm. So this is a HKC quantum control panel, but you might well have the HKC 1070 and this is the keypad for that. So to enroll the key fob, it's the same process for both of these. So the first thing we're going to do is go into engineer mode. So it's 4567 followed by your user code. So now we're in engineer mode. We're going to go to the devices menu. So press next. It says devices menu, we press yes. It says RF devices menu, we press yes. It says add an ID RF devices, so we press yes to that. Now it says add an ID RF zone, so we press next. Now it says add an ID RF key fob, we press yes. So now it's scanning for the key fob. So what we're going to do is we're going to press a button on the key fob. Okay, we might have to press it a few times. There we go. So it says device is found 1, so it's found the key fob. Now we're going to press quit. Now it says press key to ID device, so we're going to press a key again. So it's rang 1 time, that proves that it works. So it says device is found 1, identified 1. So it's happy days. The key fob is now enrolled, so there's a few options for the key fob which you might like to adjust. So RF devices menu, press yes, and then next until you see RF devices options, press yes, and then next RF key fob options. So there are the options for the key fob. So it's key fob number 1, press yes, and it says code unset no. Now that means that there's buttons on the key fob that have numbers on them, and if code unset is set to no, that means you don't have to type the code into the key fob to unset the alarm. You just have to press the unset button, which is the button beside the open lock. If you change code unset to yes, you would actually have to type your user code into the key fob to unset the alarm. So that makes the key fob a lot more secure, but that's up to you. It's also a bit of a pain to do that. There's another option, duress bell, which is set to no, and that means that if the alarm goes off, if you press the panic button on the key fob, that's called a duress alarm. So if you press the panic button and duress bell is set to no, the bells in your alarm won't activate. But if you change that to yes, that means when you press the panic button on the key fob, the alarm bells will activate on your alarm. So we'll leave it like that. And then the next option is duress delay. So that's if you press the panic button on your key fob, there's a delay of 20 seconds. So duress delay is set to 20. So that means there's a 20-second delay before the alarm will go off. Okay, so you can change that, say to 4 seconds is the minimum. So you press the panic button on the key fob, after 4 seconds the alarm will go off. Okay, so now we'll quit, exit engineer, yes. So that's that key fob done, enrolled.